Payphones paved the way for smartphones, GPS eliminated the need for maps, and Uber and Lyft have all but upended taxi services. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and if you haven't used Uber or Lyft, they are basic, easy-to-use apps that hail a car for you. Plus, there are ways to save money using either of them after you've got the basics down. Calling a taxi can be a pain, especially if you're in a new area, or maybe you're afraid of getting ripped off from a regular taxi. With the Uber and Lyft apps, pricing is all up front, and it's all available through your smart device. For both Lyft and Uber, simply go to the Google Play Store and App Store and search for the app. Next, download the app and follow the prompts to sign up by entering in your phone number, name, and email. Be sure to link your credit card for easy checkout. Now, you are ready to ride. For Uber, simply launch the app, select the search bar at the top of the page, and type in your current location. Below that, you're able to put in where you want to go, your desired destination. Lyft differs slightly from Uber, with the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Once you select that, you can enter in your current location into the top bar, and beneath that bar, you put in your desired destination where you want to go. Both are winners for being user-friendly. Now, ready for my money-saving pro tip? So few know to do this. You can connect your Uber account with either a Capital One credit card for a subscription to Uber One, an Apple card for 3% cash back, or an American Express credit card for a $10 coupon. Or connect your Delta, Hilton, or Alaska Airlines profiles to your Lyft account to earn miles and points to then save on your next trip. You can find this page under Uber by going to your account page, selecting the wallet icon, and scrolling through your options. On Lyft, you simply fire up the app, select the three vertical bars on the top left side of your screen, and select Rewards. Several options will appear. Just select the one that suits you best. To find out more of my tips for best apps, head to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, look at that button right there. Sign up for my free newsletter.